Hey, what's going on? This is Chef Karl from Cooking and Grilling with Karl. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be doing fish piccata using flounder right after this. All right, let's go over the ingredients for the Flounder Piccata. All right, right here I have some flour, all-purpose flour with some lemon pepper and some dry parsley in it just to season it up. All right here I have some fresh flounder, I have some capers, some butter, unsalted. Over here I have some onions. I didn't have shallots. Replaced the onions with small chopped shallots. But I also have some chopped scallions for garnish, some red tomatoes for diced tomatoes for garnish, heavy cream, have some white wine, some salt, some pepper. All right, I got lemon over here and something to squeeze the juice out. So that's all the ingredients right there. Like I said, you don't have to use the onion. You really should use a shallot, but I couldn't get one, so I'm going to use the onion instead, small dice. All right, so let's get to it. I already got my pan heating up, so let's get to this recipe. Piccata, Flounder Piccata. All right, so what I'm going to do, let me just mix this up. All right, that's good. All right. So I'm just going to dredge the flounder in the flour. All right into the pan. All right, doesn't take long to cook. Flounder cooks very fast. All right. All right, so this is already ready to come out. I'm gonna finish it in the oven. All right, there's the fish right there. So I'm just gonna hit it with a little lemon pepper and throw it in the oven real quick while I'm making my sauce. Just layering the flavors. All right. It's not gonna need to stay in there long, just not even a couple minutes. All right, so now go on my onions. That should be shallots, but I'm using onions. All right, so I'm gonna turn off the flame, add my white wine. Flame back on. Going in with some lemon juice, fresh squeeze. All right, so now I'm just gonna let this come to a rapid boil, reduce a little bit, and then I'm gonna add the rest of my ingredients. All right, now I'm going in with my capers. So these are caper berries. Let you get a good look at these. All right, these are actually berries, but they have a really, it's hard to say, kind of savory, but they're very good. They complement meat very well. All right, going in with a little bit of heavy cream. That should do it. To give this a taste and see where we are with flavor. All right, very good. Need a little bit of salt, some more cracked black pepper. That should be good. Going with some more lemon juice. Getting my fish out the oven. Alright, just gonna go with my butter now just to finish it off. In fact, I'll give it like another minute to tighten up a little bit more. I'm just reducing it down, and as I reduce it down, the flavor is going to get a little bit stronger and more concentrated, and it's going to get a little bit thicker. You know what, I'm adding a little bit of heavy cream to that. Just a little bit more. Too much lemon flavor. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with some cold unsalted butter. About 3 tablespoons. And I'm just going to stir the butter in. Because if you don't stir it in, it's going to separate and break. But a little trick we used to use when I was working in restaurants was we would add a little broth or a little bit of water to it, and that would bring it back. But that's a whole nother training. All right, so the sauce is coming together, and this is pretty much it. So now I'm just going to plate up the fish. And take it. All right, that's it. All done. All right, plate up the fish for you real quick. And this is a good dish. You got company coming over, something real fast, easy to make, inexpensive. All right, good for a date night. All right, here's my sauce. All right, just a little bit of diced tomatoes for some color, scallions for some color, just a few lemons, and I'm just going to do a little bit of parsley too. More color the better. Alright, so there you have it, Flounder Piccata by yours truly, cooking and grilling with Karl. Alright, very simple dish to make. Only thing you got to remember is when you're finishing your sauce with the butter, just make sure you stir it in. Just don't let it sit. It'll separate, and then it'll break your sauce and it'll mess up everything. Alright, and it takes a little bit of a skill and knowledge once your sauce breaks to bring it back. Alright, but like I said, this is to me it's an elegant dish. Use it, to make it for a date night. When you have guests coming over, it's a great dish to serve. Hey, so thanks for checking out this Fish Piccata video. Make sure you like and subscribe, smash that like button, and also hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. Alright, on that note, I say God bless, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.